Okay, so no, with what we've got here in Kajabi with our free courses or the courses that we're going to be building out. So obviously the free Facebook Ads Hack course is the free course. This should be called. Second one is the Facebook Ad Hacks Toolbox. So free course Toolbox is the $27 upsell. And then anyone who buys that then gets upsold with the Black Belt system. So the Black Belt system is our higher product, $497 as a one-time offer. So everything's built out in here now. I've got all the memberships in there and all the online portals in there. So it's all in Kajabi. Now, can you do some work rather than building out all these new pages? I was thinking it would be better to, because I know ClickFunnels pages look a lot nicer. We can customize them a lot easier and a lot better in ClickFunnels rather than Kajabi. The Kajabi page is a bit of a nightmare and they don't look as good. So can you do a bit of work, please, and see how we can do that? So whether or not it's just playing around with this funnel here, there's a lot of steps in here that we're not using. So feel free to just remove the ones that we don't need out. But basically, we'll need to have first step is for the free Ads Hack course. So anyone who opts into that needs to get access to the free Ads Hack course. Then anyone after they opt into that then gets an upsell, gets the upsell for the Ads Hack Toolbox. So for $27. If they buy that, then they get access to this membership portal here. If they purchase the Ad Hack Toolbox, if they buy that, then they get upsold with the Black Belt system at a one-time offer of $497. We're going to sell it for $795, but we're going to have it as a one-time offer for $497 if they purchase the Tripwire, which is the toolbox. So if they buy the toolbox, then we want to offer them the Black Belt system at $497. So I know in ClickFunnels we can set up products and connect them to Kajabi. For example, this one's set up here. This is just a normal product. But if we go over into memberships, Kajabi, Facebook, the free, so that should be, yeah, that one there. It shouldn't be called free. I'll change the name of that. It should be the Facebook Ad Hacks Toolbox offer. So anyone who buys the product there should get access to it there. Again, anyone who buys another, I'll connect the Black Belt system one-time offer product. So it's $497. So that's connected up there. So the only other thing I need to figure out is how on the first page here, it might have to be another order page, how we can get people to register for the free Facebook Ads Hacks in ClickFunnels with only leaving their name and email. So I just can't figure out how we can connect the product up without having an order form that requires the credit card details. Because if people are just signing up for a free course, they're obviously not going to want to put their credit card details in. And then we can upsell them on the second step with the Tripwire product. That's when they can put their card details in. And if they buy that, and then we upsell them again to the Black Belt system. So it's free course is one. First step just needs an opt-in. As soon as they opt in, name and email, they get access to it. Second step is if they opt in here, then we offer them the Tripwire product, which is the toolbox, which is $27. If they buy a toolbox, we then offer them the Black Belt system at a one-time offer of $497. So take a look and see if we can connect that all up and just continue to use these pages here. If you need to, you might need to make a new page because that one at the moment is an opt-in page and make it an order page. If you have to do that, I've saved and you can do this for any page as well. If you need to change the type of page it is, you can save the element type and section. So if I, for example, want to add a row, I got my rows. Oh, so section, I got my sections. GMS, I think I got like free course body, which is just that section there. So if you need to make a new page that isn't, because you won't be able to clone this one, or you won't be able to save it as a template because it's the wrong page type, you can save pieces of like sections and that I'm doing that. So take a look, let me know, rather than building everything out in Kajabi, just take a look and see if we can. It doesn't have to be perfect at the moment. If you can just set up the flow, don't worry about what the content on the pages is. If we can just set it up and test it and test the forms and make sure they get access and we get access to each part that we purchase, let's do that. But yeah, take a look and let me know.